Have you ever wondered who the very first person was to whistle? Think about it. At some point in history, someone accidentally pushed air through their lips and made that sharp little sound. But imagine hearing a whistle before anyone even knew it was possible. Did everyone think a bird was hiding nearby? Did they believe a spirit had spoken? Or did they just stare at this weird human making noises with their face? The truth is, nobody knows who did it first. Whistling doesn't leave fossils, and nobody carved into a cave wall. Today I invented this cool sound. But researchers think people have been whistling for tens of thousands of years. Hunters could communicate over long distances without shouting. Shepherds used whistles to control animals. And some ancient cultures even believed whistling could summon spirits or scare them away. There are entire languages built from whistles. In places with steep mountains, people learned to whistle, complete conversations that could travel for miles. Imagine getting yelled at by your mom from the next mountain, which means the very first whistle probably wasn't for music at all. It may have been the world's first long-distance text message, or maybe it was much dumber. Picture two prehistoric humans sitting around a fire. One accidentally whistles while chewing. Everyone freezes. Then somebody whistles back. Congratulations! Humanity had just discovered its first annoying sound effect, and thousands of years later, we're still doing it in elevators, on construction sites, and while pretending we totally know the lyrics to a song. So no, we'll never know who the first whistler was, but somewhere in history, one accidental puff of air became a sound the entire world still can't stop making.